enjoy the journey, not the destination. And I guess you're enjoying the moment, and yet we are not on our final destination because I can see now that the tabulators, I guess, is already done. Tabulating the result. May I have it so that we can announce our newly Mr. English Ambassador and Miss English Ambassadress. Ladies, can you give us a smile? You look so gorgeous tonight, as well as these handsome candidates. May I have now the result? Okay, finalizing it. Again, we would like to extend our heartfelt and thankful gratitude to our panel of judges. Thank you so much, Ma'am Venus, Ma'am Irene, and Sir Kenneth. Thank you so much for your expertise and integrity in judging our candidates. And also, we would like to say thank you to our tabulators, Ma'am Angel, Ma'am Flexi, Ma'am and Sir Nico Divalge, as well as Father Dan. Thank you so much for helping us to make this event momentous and successful. I have now the result for the third runner-up. I mean, the second runner-up. For male category, our second runner-up is congratulations, candidate number number 4, Mr. Sunny B. Formaran. Congratulations. And now, for our female second runner-up. For our female second runner-up. Our second female is candidate number congratulations, candidate number 2, Danielle Cassandra Ili. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up for our Mr. and Miss English Ambassadress 2025.
Congratulations! To fill in the sash for our second runner-up, we may call in Ma'am Romelyn Baconawa and Miss Irene D.
Congratulations. You did well. You did well as well, candidate number 2. May I call on the 2 male candidates to please proceed here. Hold your hands together. Obos, obos, obos. Okay. I am going to announce the new Mr. Ambassador 2025. And if your number is not called, automatically you are candidate. You are first runner-up. Our new Mr. Ambassador 2025 is candidate number Congratulations! Candidate number 3! Congratulations, Alex! You are the first runner-up. To put on and our
To pin in the sash, the crown, and to hand in the certificate, we may call on Father Dan Kevin P. Sulaya OFM, Ma'am Venice Pura, Miss Irene Dean, Mr. Kenneth Laurio, and Mr. Benjamin Paul Abaez. And to pin in the sash for first runner-up, we may request Miss Venice Pura and Mr. Kenneth Laurio.
Congratulations, Mr. Silex Montopar. Congratulations. And now, let us call on our 2 female candidates. Please step forward, please. It is now the moment that I'm going to announce the new Miss Ambassadress 2025. These girls Congratulations, Miss Princess Bakunawa.
Nice one, Sana! Congrats!
And to pin the sash, for first runner-up, once again, we would like to request Miss Venice Cura and Mr. Kenneth Laurio.
Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth and Ma'am Denise. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our newly crowned Mr. English Ambassador is Mr. Roy Anton Manaog, and our Miss English Ambassadress 2025 is Miss Princess Bakunawa. Once again, thank you so much for coming tonight, even if it's raining cats and dogs. I hope you enjoyed the show. Once again, this is your host, Marvin Gonzalez Salari, signing off.